welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. As you see from the title, we are going to be talking about the new Native Fall collection. And if you know, or you're not new to this channel, you know I love a good native body wash, especially for my skin type being very sensitive and all the things. It needs to grow up. My skin needs to grow up. Anyway, no, I have sensitive skin, and so I do love the Native brand. I love what it does to my skin, and I absolutely love the fragrance that it does. So let's get into the new Native Fall collection, shall we? Yeah, let's. So how I want to do this is I want to also rank, okay? I want to talk about the body wash and my experience and kind of what I smell from them and gain, and do I like it or not, but I want to rank them at the same time, so I hope you don't mind a good old ranking, okay? So let's start off with my bottom two, okay? And first of all, before we get into that, I absolutely love the naming of this new fall Native line, okay? Because Native, if you know, sometimes their description or their names for these body wash can sometimes be like, what that smell like unpredictable, or it sometimes is like, why do we go there? Or does this really smell good? But they are spot on with the titles and with the names of these new body washes, okay? So we have Autumn, Air, and Amber, okay? So this is a part of my bottom. So this is fourth, okay? If I'm ranking them. So this gives me a very masculine kind of unisex vibe, but definitely leaning more masculine. So men, brothers, male cousins, nephews, you all can get with this, okay? Listen, do you all know anything about Bath and Body Works and the scent Leaves? If you do, great. If you don't, go into Bath and Body Works and smell Leaves, okay? But Leaves has like a scent. They also have a candle. When I say this smells like Leaves, the scent in Bath and Body Works, no lie. This is exactly what this is. It gives you a very fall leaf type of scent, okay? And you all know I am not your running through the forest type of girl, and the trees and the things, right? Green grass and leaves and foresty smells have me question sometimes, okay? This is definitely fall, okay? Very fall, very leaf. I don't even know what else to describe it. It's very dark, so it has this amber in it, right? But it's very dark leaf. But I really feel like a man can vibe with this. However, ... If you like the scent of Leaves, ladies, I feel like you would absolutely adore this. If you love that kind of fall leaf, airy type of scent, you would vibe with this, right? Will I wear this? Absolutely. I spend my money. Y'all know how I am. I'm going to definitely use this. But I'm going to use this up, but was it my favorite? No. As you can see, it's in the bottom ranking. It wasn't, I wasn't like, yeah, let me get another bottle. This would not be a backup. I would not get a backup at all. So this, again, is Autumn, Air, and Amber. Again, bros, like, I feel like you would absolutely love this, okay? Moving on. My number 3 ranking is going to be this Honey Crisp and Cedar. Okay. Why is number 3? Okay. This is your apple scent. So those that love a good apple, like this gives me like a gala apple, like a red apple, okay? Gives me like a red sweet apple that has honey in it. The name, again, the descriptions, the names on these things, perfection, okay? Now this cedar, let's talk about that. To me, this also gives a little spice, okay? So this gives like an apple spice type of crisp scent, like with the honey. So it gives a little sweet play on sweet note for me. This is absolutely divine. Like, so my apple lovers, those that love that, like a apple spice type of scent, you're going to vibe beautiful with this, right? For me, I would have loved this to be a little bit more sweeter. You all know I'm like gourmand heavy. Give me all the cookie candy cakes. I want to smell like that. Immature, so what? Okay? I don't care. Pick somebody else. But I love a good cakey like type of scent. So that's what I vibe with. So an apple spice type of scent, I wouldn't say that I'm raising my hand to buy a backup bottle, but will I thrive with this? Yes, I will absolutely go with this. I'm going to use it up. So again, ladies and even gentlemen, I feel like this is also a unisex type of scent. So my ladies, my bros, you all, if you love a good spice apple, this is absolutely perfect for your shower and your shower experience. Okay, moving on. So let's talk about my top two. Okay, first, I really had a hard time with the top two. Okay, and there's only 4 in the line. Okay, so you probably know which one was going to be my top two anyway. It's not that hard. But this toasted vanilla and honey, when I say, fam, again, perfect name. Like, there's nothing else to describe except for this. Like, there's nothing else. Well, like, what you want me to say? Is it great? It's amazing. Now, I will say, I get like a marshmallow scent. It's very fluffy. And I was like, I had to test it out again, test it out another day, because I was like, is that marshmallow or is that the honey? You do smell the honey note in this, but there is this fluffy, again, marshmallow, toasted vanilla scent in here that is addicting. And you're like, oh my. Now, I will say, this was not prominent. Like, I wish that this was very heavy scented in my shower, because you all know how I am. I love a good heavy scent. So I wish that this was that, right? I would say if there was the missing or the elephant in the room or the thing that I really didn't like about this scent, it would just be that. Like, it wasn't prominent. And I love a good heavy scented scent. And this was very light. She was a very cutesy. And I was like, girl, I don't want you to be cutesy. Try again. Not today. But very light. But do I get the, again, very, not sticky. I don't want to say sticky, right? It's very fluffy. Because when I think of sticky, there's almost like a sappy type of scent that I'm thinking about anytime I'm thinking about very sticky, right? Like sappy, pulling apart and it has this pull. But it wasn't that. It was very fluffy marshmallow toasted vanilla. So again, if you love a good vanilla, if you like a good honey note, this is going to be, you're going to love this. You're going to want backup on top of backup of this. But I will say, for me, it just needs to be louder. Okay? Don't be cutesy. Just be loud. Just be who you are. Because it's so good. Just be loud. Okay? Moving on. And last but certainly not least, my top pick would have to be this apple butter and strudel. Let me tell you about these. Now listen. And you're gonna be like, so why are we talking about this? But still got to deal with the apple butter, right? Apple butter. Let's talk about apple butter. The actual apple butter, like you put apple butter on toast, you all know what apple butter is, right? It's kind of like that, it's not jelly, but it's apple butter. What I said. I can't stand apple butter. Don't give me nobody's apple butter. My favorite jam is strawberry. And I know some people turn their nose, because I know some of my family members don't like strawberry. I know who they are. So I might not be talking about you, but I know that there's people in my family that think that strawberry is the devil.
It's the devil, right? It's the devil. It's the devil.
Like, they do not like strawberry. Anyway, but I absolutely love strawberry jam, okay? But what I cannot, and you might be able to just sneak a little grape. So if you ain't got no strawberry, I might, depending on the day, I might be able to get with your, the jam, the grape one. Mm-hmm. That I can't even say it. The grape, it's not my favorite pick, right? I'm not raising my hand for grape jelly. I'm just not, right? Now, apple butter, I am definitely not even partially raising my hand. That is, I'm not even gonna call it what I consider, because some people probably love apple butter. I'm not one of them people. Your niece, your sis, your cousin, no. But on to the sin. This top down, I was like, if I don't like apple butter, I like this. I love this, okay? This is so amazing. If you love a good apple pie, crisp, okay? The crisp apple pie. The one with the little crispers and the little, you know. They're not called crispers. It's okay. You know what I'm talking about. The little crunch on the top of the apple pie. Not the plain apple pie, but the pie that got a little bit of, like the Marie Callender pies. Okay, Marie Callender pies, if you know, you know. But this is like this. Apple pie mode. Okay? So good. I would repurchase this. This is who I want to be. Okay? Gourmand heaven. This is who I want to be for the fall. Who do you want to be? Her? Yeah. This is who I want to be for the fall. And amazing. So if I were to suggest, anyone highly suggest any of these picks, it would be this one. So good. If you love a good apple, but you're like, I like a good gourmand, sis, give it to me. A la pala mode, apple la pala mode. Right here. I'm hooking you up. Go and get this. Ooh, I just want to smell it again. Oh, it is so good and buttery and crispy and pie-ish and apple. Just don't eat it, because it makes you want to eat it. When it's in your shower, it makes you want to eat the body wash, but it's a body wash, okay? It is very projecting, very dominant, okay? In your shower, you can smell it. I was living my best life. So what my plan is, let me just really quick wrap it up, right? That's my number one. My plan is for these body wash, I'm going to use the ones I don't like first. You say, I'm going to use the ones that are not my favorite. Like, this is not my favorite, and this is an okay one, right? But I'm going to use this up first. And then I'm going to go to the toasted vanilla and honey. I'm going to go there. And then I'm going to go to my favorite one. I'm going to say this for last. And why? Because I want to. I just want to savor this. And I think I'm going to have to get it back up. I believe I'm going to have to get another, because this was absolutely the vibe. Okay, so that is all, family. That is all for my full thoughts on the new Native Fall collection. Okay, have you all seen this in your stores? Because I haven't seen it yet in stores, but it's on the Native site if you're interested in purchasing any of these products, okay? Native has deodorants and all types of goodies, right? So help yourself, okay? Let me know if there are any of these that you would love to try. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I would love for you to share, okay? Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Please give me the thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel and for others to come and view me and see if they'll vibe with your girl. Be good to yourself, family. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough to, yeah. Your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.